Imagine a device that blends functionality with style, a gadget that's more than just a phone. Welcome to the world of iPhone. In the next 60 seconds, we'll explore why this sleek piece of technology is worth your attention. Firstly, the design. The iPhone boasts a premium build, a testament to Apple's commitment to quality. It's more than just pretty, it's durable and designed to last. Then there's performance. With a powerful processor at its heart, the iPhone delivers smooth, lag-free experiences. Whether you're a gamer, a business professional, or a social media enthusiast, this device won't let you down. And let's not forget the camera. With its high-resolution sensors and sophisticated software, the iPhone's camera captures moments with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. But what truly sets the iPhone apart is its ecosystem. Seamless integration with other Apple products, a vast app store, and top-notch security features make it more than just a phone. So, if you're in the market for a new gadget, consider the iPhone. It's not just a device, it's an experience. Tune in again for more quick product reviews.